Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to turn off location on Safari. First of all, you can open the general home settings on your device. After opening the settings, you can just simply scroll down and down, and here you will find the option privacy and security. Tap on it, and now you can tap on location services, and now you can just simply scroll down. You will find the Safari browser here. After finding the Safari websites, you can now tap on it, and here you will just simply select the never option, and this is the way you can turn off location access on Safari. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.